What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. That's gonna be my thumbnail. Okay. A natural cut crease with, and I'm gonna smoke it out with this red. Yeah, I'm gonna smoke it out with this red, okay? So, if not the red, I'm gonna smoke it out with this purple because it's also calling my name as well. One of those. One of these. Oh, I'm so indecisive. I'm about to go in and do my eyebrows really quick because y'all know that process. Do my eyebrows real quick with my AOA, my Shaman's A eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to clean up my eyebrows with medium beige, of course. And then I'm going to do my eyeshadow, so clearly. So I'm just going to go in with these. And let me do my brows really quick. Okay. So let's get straight into this James Charles palette. So I'm going to be using maybe these three with a little bit of this. Oh wait, that looks peachy. I'm definitely using these three, but I might use this. No wait, this. So I'm using these three for sure. And then to deepen it up, I might go in with my Makeup Revolution palette just to like deepen up those colors if I need to. But so right now I'm just going in with a fluffy brush. Oh, hold on, Nicole. I'm gonna go in with this. So I'm going in with this fluffy brush and I'm just going to start with in that crease, and this is gonna be my transition shade. So I'm going in with this darker shade right here on another fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna focus that more so in my actual crease. So I'm gonna, not the outer crease, but my inner crease, if that makes sense. Like I don't want it too high. Okay. So I got the like base colors to where I want them. I'm gonna put that up for a sec. I'm about to go in and cut my crease. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline concealer. Put that on the back of my hand on a flat brush. And we're just gonna cut that crease. I don't know if I wanna do a half crease. We'll see when I get there. So we're gonna go back in with that the dark shade, the deeper shade. We're just gonna put that in our crease. Just a little patting motion. So I'm finished with the eyes for right now. I'm actually about to use a blending brush that has no product on it. I'm just gonna blend that out. Checking for harsh lines. Boom, and then we're gonna go to the other eye. No harsh lines. All right. Now we can start on this face because why we not on the face? Going in my primer, of course. My Prime Focus Primer Base. Wow. Boom, foundation is blended. Foundation is blended, so I'm going in with my good stuff. Medium beige is on. Warm honey. I'm really like almost out of everything. And then I'm going in with espresso. I'm gonna blend out that contour first. And then I'm blending out with my angle brush. Before, after. We're gonna set that face, because we need these to last all day, okay? Close that. Okay, so I already did my blush and my contour. I'm gonna let that sit on my face for a sec. So I haven't decided. I think I want to, no, I don't want to do red. I'm gonna do purple. And I'll go in with my handy dandy brown lip pencil. Going in with my baked highlighter from AOA. Bye.